Experience a new world of color bonding with the new Trinity Color Bonding Mask from Surface Hair. The surface color bonding technology is a naturally acidic solution, so it's very gentle. It'll strengthen fine hair and help you keep your color in up to 30% longer. There are no heavy chemicals, you'll have no buildup, and the weightless organic protein makes this product perfect for anybody who wants to strengthen their hair and keep their hair vibrant for longer. Enjoy the results that you get with a Trinity Color Bonding Mask from Surface Hair. For an at-home express treatment, step 1, Trinity Protein Tonic. Mist this throughout your dry hair and then comb it through. Step 2, apply Trinity Color Care Bonding Mask over the top of that, comb through and let it sit for 5 minutes. Shampoo off with the Trinity shampoo and conditioner, and then style with either Trinity Protein Tonic or Trinity Protein Cream and your favorite surface stylers. Enjoy your at-home express treatment using the Trinity Color Bonding Mask from Surface.